everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ford Era, and we're here now working on Gold Dust. And today we're going to be installing some Fat Fender Garage billet door handles. So being that I have a crew cab, I've got two sets, and basically these are direct replacement. I just grabbed the passenger side, but direct replacement. These are billet, and the reason why I really like it is because the button is integrated. It doesn't have this like little dot in the middle, which I actually have to keep the door panel off of Gold Dust because there's like this pin over here, and on my factory one the pin constantly is moving because it's not so strong, and that's the real reason why I wanted these door handles. Plus they look really cool, so I'm gonna get them installed right now. And here's everything that I have. So I've got the 4 door handles, and then it comes with the hardware, and then the factory stuff is 3/8, I believe. Yep. And then their new hardware is 7/16. So very straightforward. Literally should take me, now that I have this door panel off, it's very simple because there's only 2 screws holding it on. One right over here, and then another one which is through this hole. So I'm going to do that right now, and see you in a second. Alright, as you can see, that was really easy. It was literally 2 bolts. And let me bring over this original one. So here is an original, and here is one of the Fat Fender ones. You can see the difference. These are a little bit thicker. This is flipped upside down, but this has like a little line edge. Everything else is basically the exact same. So I'm gonna put this one on and show you guys how that looks right now. Literally, boom. Now, what I didn't notice, and some of you guys might have this on yours, is the original handles come with like this little gasket, but because the Fat Fender garage handles are a little bit different, the gasket doesn't quite fit. And my truck's been repainted, and you could see they must not have removed the door handles, they just taped them off. So I'm gonna have to, I guess, make a gasket or eventually figure that out, but those look really good. They work awesome. Now to do the other 3, and I'll probably just show you guys when they're all done. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, so on my passenger side, I can show it to you guys with the door panel and everything. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta take off your armrest, and that's got 3 3/8 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Then unscrew this, and then take off all the screws around the edge, and then the door handle itself is gonna have 2 nuts. Then the door panel's off, and then 1 screw here, and then there's another one behind it, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that right now and show you guys when it's all done. All right, so just finished all of them up. Works great. Scoot over the other side real quick. And they look awesome. So there we go, super easy. I think the whole thing took me like 15 minutes between all 4 doors, and I highly recommend it. You guys go make sure to check out fatfendergarage.com. They've got these. I don't know which color combos they have. Mine are the high polish version, but check them out. If you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video. Later.